So just had the delivery of my Vevor burner for the new shop. I'll be doing a review on that. It's telling me it can heat 16,000 square feet, I believe, or 1,600 square feet. And yeah, I'll be taking that to the shop tomorrow, and we'll give that a review as well. So we've kind of wired it up, and Scroach is going to throw the switch, and let's see how it goes. Here we go. And this is the Vevor KB70 or K70. We just put the thermostat on. Say again.
What happened?
That's it, starting to. I think it's got a prime in it. Let's try. No, leave it. It's trying to fire, isn't it? Right, this plug.
That is connected.
So we're heading back from the shop, back home. We tried the kerosene diesel heater. It didn't fire. We don't know why. We think it flooded. So we're heading back now. We're going to have a beer. It's minus 30 something. The 1500 is running like a dream. We're getting on for about 330,000 kilometres. So what's that? 200,000 mile?
Yeah, about that.
200,000 mile. Works like a dream, don't you think, Scroats?
Yep.
And
watch.
yeah, so our next video will be with the heater working. Won't it, Scroats?
Yeah, I'm not freezing down there again.
And hopefully we'll have some cars in the shop. So you like, subscribe, Scroats and the Mutt.